Hello guys, karibuni sana. How are you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ihr seid ganz herzlich willkommen. Mwikarifu muno huko. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for clicking on this video, and I really do appreciate your support, your love, your comments, your likes, everything. I don't take this for granted. Thank you so much. In today's video, let's make dinner. Kindly don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment on what you think, and of course don't forget to subscribe. I'll go ahead and show you the ingredients. Over here I have 2 oranges. I've already cut one. I have onion, I have garlic, I have olive oil. There is our pan, and of course I have this thing here to squeeze my orange. Then over here I have some already mixed ingredients. I'm gonna show you what I used. So I used a bit of curry powder, I used rosemary, and then I mixed petersilie. Is it parsley or the parsley or something? Then over here I have cumin, and then of course some salt, black pepper. Yes, let me go ahead and do the marinating. Is our chicken. So what I've just done is adding some oil, the olive oil, and I'm gonna rub my mixture inside the chicken and of course on the outside. I have my kitchen gloves. Go ahead and rub. Let me show you something. I separated the skin. What I'm going to do is rub my mixture into the skin or the meat. So I'm going to rub inside, for the chicken to get more flavor. Yes, and I'll do the same this other side. This is how my chicken looks like, inside and out. Yeah, so let me show you the next step, guys. I will add my onions, like I'll do the stuffing that way. Of course I've washed my hands that way, and I will add my garlic for flavor. That way, and then I will cut this orange and stuff also. I'll do the stuffing. As you can see, my garlic and onion, and then I'll add my orange that way. I'll add some 2 more pieces. Now let me see. Yeah, this one will also go in there.